Today I'm going to show you how to install a BMW M4 style spoiler to a BMW 1 Series. First thing I'm going to do is mark it up of where I want it to be, equal on both sides. What I'm going to do is, this is slightly smaller, it doesn't come to the very edge, this one. So what I'm going to do is go about there, and then that way it will match up on both sides. The reason why the car has two different colours is because it's getting midway through wrap. And then on this side I've taped it up so I know where I want it to go. So it will go here, and because that's equal to this side, I'll put a bit of tape there so when I place it down I know exactly where to go. But that's where we want him. It looks good just where it is. Put some sticky pads down because I have had this spoiler on before, but because we've wrapped the car I am going to be reinstalling it. I'm going to use this 3M tape, and I'm also going to be using some Tiger Seal bonding in between here just so it has an extra bit of stick and so it's actually bonded to the car. Let's remove these stickers, get some Tiger Seal on and get it installed on the car. Get your tape, get it where you want the spoiler to go so it's equal both sides. This is just your guidelines basically. I'm going to do a bit on the back as well, just here, and a bit in the centre, like so, just so it's dead on where I want it to be again. So once you've done that, it should look something like this all along. Make sure you're happy with where it goes. So this is what we're looking like. Make sure that it's on the edge of the lip pretty much so that it grooves round here. Now we can take this back off and get the tape off. So now I'm going to apply the Tiger Seal. Don't put too much and don't put too little because obviously you don't want it to splurge out everywhere. And make sure you don't seal or cover these drainage holes because otherwise water will get clogged up in the spoiler. The spoiler should now look something like this with all the double-sided stickers and the Tiger Seal. Now we can install it. Make sure you go in between your lines of where you lined it up. So probably it's best to start one end. That's good. Firmly press it down. And then you can remove your tape. Once you've done that, your finished product should look like this. Equal on both sides. And there you go. That is the BMW M4 style spoiler on the 1 Series. You now want to make sure this is stuck down for at least 24 hours with some tape so it can bond properly and so it can't lift off. This is because of the Tiger Seal. Even with a sticker, you do want to put some tape on so it fully bonds together with the spoiler and the body of the car. So I'm going to put some masking tape down. You can use any tape. Just make sure it doesn't affect the paintwork so it holds down in place tight. And do that on the rest of the spoiler. And this is how it looks like at the very end with the spoiler installed. If you do like this, don't forget to like and subscribe down below.